Hello guys, on today's video we're gonna use two of these picture frames from Dollar Tree. So we're just gonna go ahead and take the plastic out. We're not gonna use the inside, so we're gonna just go ahead and take it out for both of the picture frame. Then after we do that, we're gonna go ahead and grab one of these floral foam, and before we do that, we're gonna take the frame, grab a scissor, and we're gonna take this part out. So it's pretty simple to take it out. Just touch it together like that and then pull it out, and it comes out pretty simple. Then grab your picture frame and place it right in the middle of the floor foam like that, just to make a little hole like that. Then go ahead and grab your hot glue, place the hot glue inside in the picture frame like that. Make sure to place enough hot glue, and then just go ahead and place it inside. Hold it down so it gets attached into place. But before that, then you're gonna go ahead and put more hot glue, and then put more floral foam around it, and this is what's gonna hold it together. So make sure to put enough floral foam, enough hot glue to attach it into place. Once you place it inside, just like that, it will hold it into place. Then after that, we're gonna use this mirror because if we leave it like that, the floor foam won't have no weight. So we need some weight. So I'm just gonna go ahead and attach the floor foam into the small mirror like that. Just attach it into place. Then after you guys do that, I'm gonna take my flower and place it inside around it. Make sure to use toothpick and then place it in the flower and then attach it into the floral foam like that, just to attach the flower into place, and then just continue attaching flower all the way around it until you do the whole thing all the way around. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. So simple, so easy and inexpensive that you guys can do. This can be for or party decorations or wedding decoration. You decide what you guys want to use it for. Now, for the next idea, we're going to go ahead and take everything out because we're going to make this one a little bit bigger. We're going to take another um mirror, put some hot glue like in the corner of the mirror like that, all the way down, and then attach the mirror with a mirror like that. Just attach it into place. Then go ahead and grab your floor foam, place some hot glue on the side, and then place some hot glue in the bottom part as well. And then just attach the floor foam to the other floor foam, and then attach the bottom part to the mirror of the floor foam like that. Then after that, I'm gonna take another picture frame and take it out like that. We're gonna go ahead and place it inside in the other floor foam like that, just to attach it into place. Then go ahead and put some hot glue in the hole that you guys made with a picture frame, and then place it inside to attach it in there. Put a little bit of hot glue on top to attach both of the picture frame together. After you guys do that, go ahead and spray paint it in gold. Then go ahead and grab your flower, put your toothpick, and then attach it around it like that. And here we're gonna use some white flowers, but you can also use different color. Then I'm going to take these small little branches like with a little flower, and I'm just going to go ahead and place it around. And here I'm just going to go ahead and place different flowers around it like that until I fill up the whole thing. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. So simple, so easy, and super cute that you guys can do at home. This can be also for wedding or party decorations. It's up to you. Then for the next idea, I'm going to grab a piece of floral foam and attach it to the frame like that. Then go ahead and fill it up with a flower around it like that. Then I'm gonna go ahead and grab a balloon, and I'm gonna use the balloon stick. Just go ahead and place the balloon in the balloon holder. I'm not gonna use the balloon stick, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take it out, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and place the balloon in the floor foam like that. Place it inside, then go ahead and grab your hot glue, put some hot glue all the way around it, and then attach it in there into the floor foam like that. And then just go ahead and fill it out with flowers. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. So simple, so easy. I think this one came out so pretty and it's so cute. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly. Let's not forget to like, share, and comment, letting me know what you guys think of this DIY. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly.